5 years ago, FC Clydach and Clydach Cricket Football Club came together. We merged our teams, so we had 2 senior teams, we had a bunch of junior teams between us, and we were always fighting for players, we were always fighting for facilities and funding and support, and it just made proper sense to us that we brought those teams together.
Pentre yn Pontardawe rhwng Abertawe a Pontardawe wedyn yr dref mwyaf agosau I ni wedyn.
So today we've got a local derby with Pontardawe Town. They'll be looking for revenge as we gave them a good beating up their place earlier on in the season, much to their surprise. So the team isn't having the best of times at the minute, but a good local derby usually can change that fortunes for us.
Bit of a family affair for you as well. Just how many dailies are involved in this club?
There's a few. My brother is the secretary, so he's the one putting pressure on me if we don't win. My other brother's the assistant manager. I've got a nephew who plays here. My other nephew used to play here. He's now playing his straight for Penwythnos in the Cymru Prem. So yeah, there's a lot of people there. It's great if you win, not so good if you lose.
When are you expecting Noah back?
Oh, if only we could afford him, innit? We'd love to have him, but we enjoy watching that. There's other boys from the area. Caleb Demery, who's down at Swansea City as well now. So, you know, there's a real pride in not just the first team here, but seeing people go on and do well at the higher level if they can, yeah.
One of the youngsters who used to play for us is now playing for Manchester City. So that's where we are now, as a provider of that talent up there. And the hope is that we get the team up to the level where these locals don't need to go anywhere else.
Calmo started the start, and what a start it was for you. Took us through that lovely goal.
Yeah, it was a good goal, a good team goal, and then came to the edge of the box and it bobbled and it in the top corner. Like.
We saw today lots of the juniors and minis here watching. It's a real community club. You see in the first team here, the youngsters can see that pathway. There's a lot of local boys in there. We tend not to go out further than sort of 4 or 5 mile radius of Clydach, and there's people care then.
Be mae'r clwb yn ei roed i'r plant leol, yn nid i fi efo rhiant yn wych. Da ni fo tîm o bechgyn dechrau o 4-5 oed I fyny I seniors fel dyn gweld heddiw. Da ni fo tîm o merched wedyn dechrau 6 oed. Mae'r ferch gen I newydd gychwyn dros diwetha yn y tîm dan 6.
We've gone from all round being about 200 members of the club to being over 500 members of the club now. Volunteers, from being about 3 or 4 people doing everything to having sort of 70 or 80 volunteers working with us all the time. We've got about 45 teams across all the age groups, boys and girls. The thing we try to do is make sure that we keep boys and girls equal. This year now we've got 2 women's senior teams as well as 3 men's senior teams. So from 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning through till 5 o'clock on a Sunday, there's football all day long. The groundsman, nobody wants to see him because the pitch has taken absolute hammering 24 hours over the weekend. And then in the spring there's football here every night, training every night of the week from like 5-6 o'clock till 8-9 o'clock at night.
Mae o'n gret awr bob nos fawr, a jyst gallu anghofio am y gwaith a edrych ar ôl y plant yna. Gweld nhw'n datblygu, dyna'r peth pwysicaf. Dwi'n tîm dan 9 bechgyn lle, a mae o'n gret I weld nhw'n datblygu ar y cae a godi ar y cae hefyd. Vets, so hwnna di'r cam nesaf wan fel clwb. Da ni o 6 oed I fyny gobeithio I 60. So da ni ar ein trydydd gêm fori. Aim I ni gael ydy bod ni fo tîm I fod gobeithio mewn cyngra erbyn tymor nesaf. So gan ni weld sydd eithi dros y misoedd nesaf wan.
Yeah, it's been a tough few months for the club. You know, our last win was Ponty at the end of September, and it was nice to get another one over them today.
I was very pleased with the performance. The boys were outstanding from start to finish. We were on a bad run. We brought some players in, but there's a real energy, a real commitment and togetherness. And I think we saw that out there today. It's obviously done a double over them this year. This win's been a long time coming. I think we've shown today that we can match up against the best sides. The challenge for us now is to do that every week.
We want to get both of our men's and women's teams as high up the leagues as we possibly can. This season's is to stay in the Ardal where we are now, and we want to push further on than that. We don't think there's any limit. We think we've got the canvas here to build a club as high as we can. It's a small town these days. It's outgrown, as we say to our rivals. This bigger place in Pontardawe now, we've overtaken them, and we need to do that on the football pitch as well.